In this video of general pathology, let us study cellular adaptation. Cellular adaptation are changes in the normal cell in response to adverse environmental change. Cellular adaptation are five types: atrophy, hypertrophy, hyperplasia, metaplasia, and dysplasia. First one is atrophy. Word atrophy made with two words, a and trophy. A mean absent and trophy mean growth. So atrophy mean decrease in number of cell in tissue or organ. There are two types of atrophy: physiological atrophy and pathological atrophy. In physiological, atrophy of notochord during embryonic development, atrophy occur in notochord formation. Atrophy of thymus, size of thymus decrease with age due to atrophy. Or pathological, in starvation atrophy, cells begin to break down into protein, so decrease in number. Disused atrophy, best example hemiplasia, decrease in the size of muscle due to paralysis. Third one is senile atrophy. It occur in old age due to thickening of media and intima of arteries due to aging. Next is hypertrophy. Word hypertrophy made with two words, hyper and trophy. Word hyper mean excessive and trophy mean growth. Thus, hypertrophy mean increase in size of cells. Hypertrophy occur due to increase in cellular protein. Hypertrophy are also two types: physiological hypertrophy and pathological hypertrophy. In physiological include breast enlargement, uterus of pregnant woman, skeletal muscle of bodybuilder. Pathological include hypertrophy of smooth cardiac and skeletal muscle, left ventricular hypertrophy. It occur in patient of hypertension. Next is hyperplasia. Hyperplasia made with two words, hyper and plasia. Word hyper mean increase and plasia mean number. Thus hyperplasia is increase in number of cell in tissue or organ. It is due to increase in rate of DNA synthesis, hence increased mitosis. It is two types, physiological and pathological. In physiological, hormonal hyperplasia in breast and uterus during pregnancy, and compensatory hyperplasia, lobectomy of the liver. Pathological example are endometrial hyperplasia. It occurs due to excess estrogen, and next is benign prostatic hyperplasia. Some cells are unable to show hyperplasia, that are nerve, cardiac, and skeletal muscle. Both hypertrophy and hyperplasia occur in breast enlargement and uterus of pregnant woman. Next is metaplasia. Metaplasia is a reversible change of one type of mature cell into another type of mature cell in response to irritation. It is two types, squamous metaplasia and columnar metaplasia. Squamous metaplasia example in smokers. Pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium differentiated into stratified squamous epithelium. Columnar metaplasia example in Barrett's esophagus. Normal squamous epithelium differentiated into columnar epithelium. Barrett's esophagus occur due to GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. In this, backflow of gastric juice take place in esophagus. Next is dysplasia. In dysplasia, development of abnormal type of cells within a tissue or organ. It is due to alternation of genetic material. Example is squamous dysplasia of cervix. Dysplasia usually occur in epithelium. Thanks to watch and subscribe us.